Hey guys, it's Amanda here, and this week's blog we're focusing on focus. We're focused on focus and the importance of intention. So as you would enter in the full address into a GPS system, if you were to navigate your way to a destination, you would enter the street number, name, suburb, and maybe even the town. And that would take you to a specific point. And what you would not do is just enter in a random suburb expecting to get to where you want to go. So if you can think of having a focus on what your intentions are, if you can use that as a metaphor or a different example of how specific you want to be. So this week's blog is about the importance of focus and how to leverage the brain to really bring in more of what you want rather than what you don't. And remember, I keep talking about this often, is when we're stressed, we tend to focus on what we don't want and on the negative because the brain is in survival, and that can be the safest way because it's convinced it needs to keep you alive. But if you are calmer and you're practicing beautiful routines such as meditation and journaling, and you're just in a better, more open mindset, you might be letting go of that survival state and promoting growth and repair instead. And so here's some tips and tools for you this week. So the first part of the picture is to look at clarity. So how clear are you on your intentions? Can you actually visualize what you want? Do you even know what you want? And just getting a really clear picture of what that is in total detail. And another thing is, how open are you to actually receiving what you want? How are you blocking that? Because so many of my clients, I see this every day, is there's a goal, but there's like this invisible umbrella and it's blocking what you want that comes in. So, we have goals, and sometimes they align with what we're believing, or sometimes there's a misalignment. And remember, that is that inner conflict that we're really wanting to become aware of, because how you think and feel and what you're believing is a mirror image of the biochemistry you're firing in your body, the health of your body, and what you'll bring to you. And so once you've got clarity, this is going to be really important, and identifying your inner conflict will help you to see any sabotage blocks you've got, how you're blocking in what you're wanting. And I often ask myself a question: if I feel an inner discomfort about what I'm wanting or what I'm trying to bring in, I ask myself, is this true? Or how can I change my mind about it? Which is essentially what Bend Like Bamboo means. How can you change your mind about what you're believing, or what you believe can be possible for you? The other important element to address is your environment. So your environment is literally your office, your home, your house, even your car. These are all 3D vision boards that really help you to bring in what you want. So make sure that you clear your spaces and put all around you the things that really bring you joy. And also your routines are really important. Your morning routine, your lunchtime routine, and your evening routines. This is all part of the environment aspect of the Venn diagram of this week's model. And your inner dialogue and the tone of your voice and what you say, not only what you're thinking. Speak wisdom, not baggage. And then repeat. So, neurons that fire together wire together. Joe Dispenza teaches us that. So if you can repeat what your intentions are, get really clear on what they are, bring them in, and use journaling and meditation. And there's links for you on this week's blog so that you can rewire your brain to bring in what you want. So get clear on your intentions and the importance of focus. I'll see you guys next week.